मुझे काले कौवे ने आज तक नहीं काटा। It's been a lie all my life. मेरी मम्मी पापा ने मुझसे झूठ बोला। हाय दैया। And back to another episode of Anisha Talks. And did you guys like my little dance at the beginning? Anyways, so our daily lives are filled with lies. What? My life has been an entire lie? Even peanut butter is a lie. There are peanuts in it, but where is the butter? Jhoot, sarasar jhoot. Parents used to tell us, "So ja bachcha, nahi to Gabbar Singh aa jayega." And then I couldn't sleep because I was scared. But Gabbar Singh never showed up either. Jhoot, sarasar jhoot. So it's time to reveal all those liars, and the last one may or may not blow your mind. But whatever it is, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as always. So let's go. Number 1, the kya baat hai liars. These people are the ones who have the most amazing life in their conversations. They will lie about each and everything which will make them look amazing. You know, I almost got into IIT. I am though very close friends with SRK. You know, I got this jacket from Armani and I paid $2,000 for it. Actually, I got it from Big Bazaar. These type of people will... Okay, sorry. These type of people will exaggerate so much and will go way over the top so that they look cooler than everybody else because they want to be the center of attention. People like KRK or Poonam Pandey will go to any extent to be in the limelight. We all know these type of liars. Jhoot, sarasar jhoot. Number 2, the Safed Jhootus, aka the white liars. These type of liars are occasional liars who lie because they want to save the moment or they don't want to upset anybody. For example, one of your friends might be dressed like Govinda, but you will say, "You look so elegant." Or a guy is wearing a V-neck and you can totally see his hairy cleavage. Ooh, you got style, bro. Or some people who were supposed to meet somebody an hour back but will say on the phone, "Dude, don't worry, I'll be there in 10 minutes. And they keep saying 10 minutes and 10 minutes, but it'll actually take them an hour. And then there are those people who studied months and months in advance before an exam. And at the day of the exam, they will say, "No, I didn't study at all." Then you feel good about yourself. And then after 3 months, the result comes out and fail. All these lies are not good, but they save you from a lot of trouble. Imagine if you were honest. Dude, you totally look like Govinda. Nobody wants to see your Anil Kapoor's chest hair. I'm sorry that I'm late, but I was busy playing video games. And yes, I just slapped myself 3 times. Number 3, situational liars. These type of people are the ones who want to avoid certain situations and hence they have no other option but to lie. Don't want to go to some boring party? No, sorry yaar, I'm not feeling well. Or your mom tells you to clean your room but you hate doing that. Beta, clean your room. But mummy, I have an exam tomorrow. As if we would study otherwise. Or if you're late for work, you will say, "I'm sorry that I'm late, but my uncle died." Yeah, many uncles die in India, especially when you're late. Nothing like having acting skills. Number 4, the serial liars. These type of liars are probably the ones who have been lying since the day they are born. They make up so many lies that there's no need for makeup anymore. No, I don't lie. Such a bad joke. They come up with so many lies that the only job prospect for them is to become a politician or an actor. Weird how these two go together. Hi Daya! Number 5, the bad liars. As the title says, these type of people cannot lie. Ever. They are so bad at it that even kitty cats can find out. Meow? Alright, I'm sorry. My cat impression wasn't the best. Anyway, so these bad liars really try very hard to keep a straight face, but they can't. They either try to look away while telling a lie. Yes mom, I've done my studies. Or they start rolling their mouth because they know they're doing something wrong. I didn't know that Rahul and Priya were dating. And their acting skills are absolutely 0. Just like Himesh Reshamya's. And if you're ever planning a prank on anybody, make sure these bad liars are never involved. Tumse na ho payega beta. Chalo niklo. And the final number 6, the Desi liars. These type of liars only exist in India and are probably my most favorite liars. Wait, Can I even have a favorite liar? These desi liars are so natural कि पता ही नहीं चलता कि सास कहाँ से ले और पादे कहाँ से. Sorry, I haven't recalled Salman in a very long time. These are the people who never understood the meaning of no. Whatever you ask them, the response will always be हो जाएगा. Sir जी, can you make me into a boy? हो जाएगा. मुझे अमीर बनना है. हो जाएगा. मुझे मरने के बाद जीना है. हो जाएगा. We always live in hope कि सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. And yes, अगर तुम सब करोगे, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. So this was it, Tricksters, and in case I missed out any more liars, please let me know in the comment section below. And guys, YouTube FanFest is just a couple of days away. My God, it's happening! And I wanted to just thank all of my Tricksters out there who have supported me in this very long journey, and I'm extremely thankful to all of you who have believed in me despite my funny accent and have made it possible for me to let my dream come true. So sending you all a big love punch your way and a Jappi Puppy as well. And many of you have been asking me for any giveaway tickets for the YouTube FanFest, but sadly I don't have any. Hopefully next time. But don't worry, for anybody who can't make it to the YouTube FanFest, I will be vlogging the entire day and will let all of you guys know every little single detail so you don't miss out anything. Also on Friday there won't be any video of mine, but instead watch the live stream of the YouTube FanFest, which will start at 7 PM, and watch me perform on stage, and you can do that right here on YouTube. Also very soon I will be doing my next Ask Annie video, but this time I will be only considering questions which are on my Facebook page on this one specific post. So make sure you follow my Facebook page, because I also do a lot of other funny entertaining things there, and I'm not lying when I say that. So see you all live at the YouTube FanFest. Bye bye! Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up, because I love you all. And in case you're not a subscriber yet to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking down here, because I make videos every Tuesdays and Fridays and you don't want to miss out. Or you know what's coming? You know what I'm gonna say? अगर तुम सब करोगे, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. You got it. झलक दिखला जाऊं, झलक दिखला जाऊं, एक बार आजा 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 आजा, एक बार आजा 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 आजा. Yep, Himesh, this was for you.